Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the assets and opening Widget Add mode. Make sure iOS is current and any color images or shortcuts you want are saved. Once done, tap and hold the home screen until icons jiggle, then tap the plus button. This opens the widget gallery. Search for a built-in or third-party color widget, pick the size you want, and tap Add Widget. Place it where it's visible. This first step gets the widget on your screen so you can configure it next. Now you configure how the widget displays color and where it pulls data from. Long press the widget and choose Edit Widget to reveal options. You can pick a fixed color, gradient, a specific photo, or connect a shortcut that outputs a color value. For why? Shortcuts let you automate dynamic color changes based on time, calendar, or location. Make sure to adjust size and transparency for legibility, and assign a tap action to open the app or run the shortcut for quick updates during daily use. Finish by refining behavior and setting automations so the widget stays useful. Test the tap action and run any connected shortcut to confirm it returns the color you expect. Once confirmed, create automations in shortcuts. For example, change color at sunrise, when battery 20%, or when you arrive at a location, so the widget updates automatically. If the widget won't update, check permissions, allow background app refresh, and verify the shortcut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.